This lyric, where the mind is without fear, is the most famous song of Rabindranath Tagore's Gitanjali. Like most of his other songs, it is no doubt also a prayer and a prayer to God, but it is different from his other devotional songs, as most of his songs are full of the relationships of God and the human soul, of God and nature, reunion of the human soul with the divine soul, or man's relation with divine soul, or emancipation of human soul from the evils. But this song prays for the emancipation of the nation from the ignorance, backwardness, custom, tradition, fear, from all of which are a hindrance in the moral and spiritual progress of a country. They create a problem in the human progress of the entire country. So this song recalls the spiritual enlightenment, humanism and sublimity of Tagore. Here, Tagore doesn't pray for himself, but for all the countrymen, no matter what their religion is, what their caste is, or their language is, or what kind of belief they follow. It doesn't make any difference to the poet here, and this is why that this song takes Tagore's stature to the highest among the greatest poets of the world of all ages, as a poet and as a human being. The poet Rabindranath Tagore is here in this song the citizen of the world, and he prays for the multi-religious, multicultural, multi-language or multilingual countrymen of the world. The main theme of this song is that he wants God to make his country as an ideal place. This is why that he prays to God that his country be made an ideal place, the heaven on earth, where there will be no fear, ignorance, orthodoxy, backwardness, hatred or divisions, that is partition, which are made always on the basis of religion, caste, culture and language, and he wishes only love, knowledge, enlightenment, excellence, perfection, truth, progress, freedom, self-respect in the lives of his countrymen. Tagore prays that the minds of his countrymen should not be afflicted with fear of any kind, and their heads, the heads of his countrymen should be held high with self-respect. He prays to God to create such an atmosphere of enlightenment that we can say none of his countrymen are deprived of getting knowledge or education on the basis of their religion, caste, poverty or gender. If a person is desirous of getting knowledge, he must be free to get it. There must be an atmosphere of cooperation and love, respect in his country. Tagore wishes that his country or his countrymen are not divided on the basis of their religion, on the basis of their culture, caste or language, because such divisions or partition create only hatred feelings. Non-cooperation, backwardness, violence, ignorance, riots, and prevents the moral and spiritual progress of human beings. Of course, there is a power in unity. Unity is a strength, and it is unity that leads the countryman to progress, to enlightenment in all fields, in moral field and in spiritual field. It makes one strong morally and spiritually. So if such an atmosphere of enlightenment is created, the people of his country will speak the truth, will always try for their betterment, for their progress and perfection. In such atmosphere, his countrymen will be broad-minded, reasonable, enlightened, hard-working, laborious, industrious, progressive, innovative, and not irrational, not orthodox, conventional or conservative. In this song, Tagore prays and he wishes his country to be a heaven, heaven of freedom, heaven of enlightenment, moral and spiritual degeneration, evils of ignorance, superstition, backwardness, all these must be removed from this earth. So this song is among the best invocations to God because it is not for personal gains but for universal gains. In this song, Tagore prays with the same sincerity, with the same devotion as he prays in other songs of Gitanjali. But here he prays for his country and for his countrymen and not for himself or the human song. He prays for an ideal atmosphere, morally and spiritually pure in his country that will always inspire his countrymen to noble thoughts and deeds. Just have a look at the text of this song. Where, where the mind, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. So this song is a prayer for the physical, moral and spiritual welfare, progress and enlightenment of countrymen. In this song, Tagore prays. Briefly, in this song, Tagore prays for his country and countrymen. He prays for an ideal atmosphere in his country. He wishes that in his country, people of all religions, people of all castes, cultures and language may live freely, freely without any fear, and they should not be afraid of violence, hatred or mistrust. There must be an atmosphere of cordiality, love, understanding and goodwill so that they all may hold their heads high, high with self-respect and may live in happiness, in peace and with respect completely, completely free from fear. So Tagore prays God for the progress of his country and countrymen and asks to create an atmosphere which is free from the evils of fear and free from any kind of restrictions. As people are prevented from getting knowledge, one must have right to knowledge and such restrictions are man-made. The, the country is divided into regional, religious, cultural and linguistic groups. All these divisions create hatred feelings, ill will, riots. Divisions or partition weaken a nation. What a country need is love, trust and cooperation. So an atmosphere of cordiality should be created. In such an atmosphere, people will be truthful, people will be honest, loving, and they will be very near to God. They will try to achieve perfection in whatever they do. Their thoughts and actions will be guided by reason and they will be progressive and they will be definitely innovative. So in the end, Tagore prays God to make his country the heaven on earth. Heaven is the place. That is, heaven is the place. Into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. So, heaven is the place where there are no restrictions, no oppressions, exploitation, frustration, fear, division or partition. There is nothing. Where in the heaven where there are only honesty, truth, love, peace, trust, respect, cordiality, enlightenment and freedom. So the prayer of Tagore is not for the individual but for the entire country. For the entire country, my Father, let my country awake. Such a beautiful song.